Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lemley Garden. I am Gleesy, and I am a gardener in Maryland Zone 7, and I grow in raised beds and containers in my backyard. So, I had to do another intro for this video because I did an intro and my whole head was cut off in the video. Like, you got me from the neck down. It was really weird. But anyway, I had shared in the previous video that I had to add some pavers to my garden because, y'all, I rolled my ankle. So my garden bed is mostly rocks. It's not mostly, it's all rocks. And some of the rocks haven't settled. So like I would go to step and the rock would move, and I rolled my ankle. So I was like, maybe I should just add some pavers to the garden, and then that will help it be a lot more safe, because I have no time to be spraining an ankle or breaking an ankle because we got work to do. So I went and got the pavers, and I'm just showing you in this video all of the work that it went in to putting these pavers down.
Yeah, even
it was a lot of work, y'all. Having to move the rocks, level the pavers, and then put them down, and then move the rocks back. Like, y'all, it was a lot. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're doing any like makeovers in your garden or upgrading things, let me know down in the comments. All right, stay tuned. So let me make sure you can see
us.
See the pavers, girl. See what I'm doing down here. Okay, watch out, sweets. All right, so I'm gonna go this way.
And some rocks, some rocks we can over, and we can actually.
Alrighty, so let's see.
And we get some out here, but we're gonna do 2 more.
Alright, so you can see there's some rocks a little bit. So I need to level it a little bit better.
Yeah. Are you gonna actually?
Yeah, I'm gonna do some of these rocks up there. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. Not a long video, but just an idea of a way that you can kind of decorate or make over your garden to make it suit you. One thing for me is that each year I feel like I always find something else that I want to improve on in the garden, and I do it. I don't do everything all at once. This garden has been built over the last 4 years. So like every year I usually add something, and that way it doesn't seem like it's like a whole bunch of money that I'm spending on stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I'm pretty sure as the season goes on, the rocks will settle, or my husband gonna come out here and say that I need to do something different. But I like it. I like it. I think it's gonna be safe. I'll show you guys. So this is the bench in my garden, and then this is the path that we just built. Yep, so now I can just walk on the path through the garden. This is what my husband had already done. This is how I know that it was going to work and that it was going to be much more safe. But as you can see, like, so the path ends here, so I will have to come and put some pavers here, because it goes into my little polycarbonate thing here, which eventually will house like new seedlings and things that I'm hardening off. But right now it just has like all of my garden stuff in there. So yeah, that's it. We did a little paver makeover today. I really didn't want to be on camera because I look crazy, y'all. I just came from the gym. But I figured since I'm already sweaty, I can go ahead and get this stuff done, and then I can go in the house and I can relax with the rest of my Saturday. Maybe get some more seedlings start. My coffee is probably cold now. It's not cold. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Just remember, all you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.